a contender for the championship within 5 points of the lead here at Barber Motorsports Park. A round of victory lap by Josh Herrin as he heads down towards the museum. He will circle down around the backside, go down the Alabama roller coaster. He will see the fans on the back straightaway and be sure to stand up and cheer for this young man, Josh Herrin, on the Monster Energy #8 Yamaha as he heads towards victory lane to talk to Brian Drebber as well as the speed crew. Jason Pridmore is running the cameras for the pit lane here for speed this weekend as Greg White and Scott Russell are in the booth anchoring this coverage for speed. Great race. 4-rider strong.
Yeah.
This race, Josh Herrin,
Yeah.
as well as Tommy Farrell. One of the great racing adventures for the folks here at Barber Motorsports Park. Herrin stopping the motorcycle, getting off the motorcycle with the flag, is putting it into the fence to celebrate here at Barber Motorsports Park. As he climbs the fence, as he leaves the fan, the fans will come over and take a picture.
Yeah!
Kind of like a capture moment. He's climbing the fence, he's coming back down, saluting the fans. Good job! Heads to victory lane. Josh Herrin is still over the top of the fans. He's taking off his gloves. He's giving it to the fans. This man is excited about winning here at Barber Motorsports Park. Yesterday was Danny Estes. Today it is. Giving away his gloves, throwing over the fence, climbing the fence. This is what the race is all about. The excitement of getting here for this young man. Only left when it counted. The last few feet.